Natural, homemade, anti-wrinkle cream recipe. Regular anti-wrinkle creams can be effective, but they are often expensive, and may contain chemicals, preservatives, and other artificial ingredients, which may cause unwanted side effects. Can a homemade cream be an adequate alternative? In many cases, the answer would be yes, it can. So, let's try making a simple cream to reduce the wrinkles and smooth the skin. The ingredients of our cream have many positive effects on facial skin, and when combined, they complement each other in terms of great facial benefits. Sweet almond oil is a natural emollient, so it makes the skin softer and less rough. It does not only revitalize and soften your skin, but also improves its complexion and tone. Virgin coconut oil has been shown to have antioxidant properties, which produce powerful anti-aging effects. The same refers to vitamin E. Beeswax and shea butter both have excellent anti-inflammatory properties. Essential oil of your choice will add a subtle fragrance to your cream. The ingredients: sweet and pure almond oil, 1/4 cup. Coconut oil, 2 tablespoons. Beeswax, 2 tablespoons. Vitamin E oil, 1/2 teaspoon. Shea butter, 1 tablespoon. Essential oil of your choice, a few drops, optional. These ingredients will make approximately 1/2 cup of anti-wrinkle cream. Preparation: put all the ingredients in a glass jar. Take a 4 or 5-inch pot and fill it with water. Heat it over low heat until water begins to boil. Remove the lid off the jar, if there is any, and place the jar into the pot. Keep it there until all ingredients have melted, stirring frequently. Once the ingredients have melted and the mixture is evenly mixed, pour it into a small glass container. Allow it to set at room temperature to let the cream thicken. The anti-wrinkle cream is ready. Store it in a cool, dark place. Apply every morning and evening after cleansing your face.